Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. As you saw from the intro, today we will play with Pat McGrath Flash 5 Astral Lip Trio. This is the set. Inside we have a mini lipstick, a lip gloss and a lip liner. Let's see them closer. This is the lip liner, Living Legend Mini Permagel Ultra Lip Liner. Here we have a lipstick, Flash 5 Mini Matte Trans Lipstick. And the last product that we have is the Bronze Astral Vinyl Lip Gloss. Let's start with the lip gloss. It comes in a squeezable tube, is not my favorite packaging. Let's see the color. Very beautiful shade. It has pink and silver glitters, very nice lip gloss to be honest. I will apply it with my NYX lip brush. On the lips looks really beautiful. Like all the lip glosses, it feels a bit sticky. Very nice shade, will be perfect for summer. Now let's move to the lip liner, Living Legend Mini Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil. The shade is a bit dark for my taste. The lip pencil is lovely. Is applying very easy, is not stiff, really nice lip pencil. About the shade, I'm not sure that I like it. What do you think? I hope that is a good shade match with the lipstick. And the last product to try, the star of this set, Flash 5 Mini Matte Trans Lipstick. Yes, the shade go perfect with the lip liner. Well guys, I think this is the best matte lipstick formula that I tried until now. It's applying very easy. You have a feeling that you are applying a lip balm. Very nice formula. I like it a lot. The color is opaque, on the lips feels comfortable. When it's completely dry, you may feel a bit that dries the lips, but nothing uncomfortable. I love this lipstick, it's lovely. Okay guys, and this was today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!